All right, so there was a vanity here. The reason we're cutting this out is it's a back-to-back double fixture fitting. Tried to snake it, couldn't get the snake to go down. Tried 3 different snakes, different sizes. Tried jetting it yesterday with the JM1000, got it to go down, but the claw, there's a 90 or something down here. I could not get it to go past it, and it's just not unclogging. So I think what we're gonna do. So this is the backup right here, and I couldn't get it with the jetter. What's up?
Yeah, there's somebody downstairs who wanted to look at their apartment.
So yeah, that's what all this job is for right here, is just to get this. All right, we're done.
Can I drive one?
8 inches, about 8 inches. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna leave that like that because the on-site manager is gonna replace the vanity. But we need to go next door and put the trap back together. There you go. All right. Tighten that up and we're good to go.